Welcome to Anything and Anything, our first video in 2020. Well, today I came up with one of the most trending and popular and scaring topic of across the world. Well, you might have already guessed it, but most of the people don't know the basic information, the required information on this, and most of the people assume things. So I've spent quality of time on this and collected as much data as possible which is worth sharing and came up today. So let's get started from the point of view of Abhishek Puskuri. Welcome to Anything and Anything again. So I have segregated this video into 4 parts. First, how it got started. Second, how dangerous it is. Third, how we are gonna fight. And the last but not least and very important part, what is the impact? So let's get started with the first one. So origins. Well, most of the people were thinking about multiple reasons and multiple conspiracy theories about this, but after going through so many sources and after spending so much of time, I have got to know, and I think this is the reason why it got started. So I'll tell you. Back in 2019, well, in the ending of 2019, one day in China, one patient was admitted in hospital stating that he got severe flu and fever. However, all the medicines were reacting for temporary time frame, and after that patient again coming back to the stage where he couldn't breathe, he get so much of cold, fever and all. They thought this can be because of that patient's body, but after a couple of days, so many people were getting admitted with the similar symptoms, and then things went serious. And then all the research teams and medical teams, experts, all the people started doing a deep research, and then found that there is a virus which is similar in all these people's bodies, and they named that virus as COVID-19. Which means coronavirus disease 2019. However, at that point of time, they didn't know how this virus was formed and what is the cause and how to cure or how to define. Initially, when things are going serious, all the doctors and especially few doctors noticed that this is not an ordinary thing and informed government of China regarding this. However, at that point of time, government of China didn't react in the required way. But after that, they noticed so many deaths and the death rate has been increased. Then they reported it also to the government and also to the WHO, World Health Organization. And after that, they started doing a deep research, and things went dirty, and all the people in China were getting panicked. And at that point of time, they realized that this virus actually didn't come from only one animal, but this is a combination of multiple animals. So which means corona was already there from long time. Usually corona will be present mostly in bats, but this coronavirus or COVID-19, this is a combination of one of the animal, which is bat, and also from another animal. Which means one of the citizen from China had bats and any other animal which had this kind of virus, and both different kind of virus had a contact in that person's body and created a new virus, which is COVID-19. And also this belongs, they claim that this belongs to a family of SARS. Yes, you heard me right. SARS was also one of the dangerous disease long time back, and which is, basically the full form of SARS was severe acute respiratory syndrome. So COVID-19 belongs to that family. Hold on, you must be thinking this is not genuine or authentic news or sources. That is the reason I am giving a link in the description where a professor from Tulane University has explained the reason and why this virus is so dangerous. You can check that out. Also, there are so many conspiracy theories. Few people say that this is a kind of triggering for a bio war from China. That is the reason now most of the cases in China went down and most of the people recovered, and even the last patient in Wuhan has been discharged. But across the globe, all the countries got infected. So this is a conspiracy theory. But what is true and what is not, we really don't know. Now let's see how dangerous this virus is. First, you should know how this virus is going to get inside your body. Whenever an infected person sneezes or he gets cough, the droplets come out of his mouth or nose, falls on a surface, or let's say that came on your hands and falls on your hand. And if you touch those hands directly to your nose, mouth, or eyes, boom, you welcome the virus into your body. Now, once that get inside your body, initially you won't feel anything, initially you won't see any change, but eventually report says, like WHO says, to see the clear symptoms of this virus for any human being, it may range from second day to 14th day. On an average, it will take 5 to 6 days to see the symptoms. Now, what are the symptoms? How it is going to start and how dangerous inside, what all things happening inside your body? Let's see. Now, once the virus get into your body, it will first directly target your lungs. So, I'll tell you how our body's immunity system works. Whenever an external virus get inside your body, all your WBC or antibodies will start fighting. Now, once this virus attacked your lungs, WBC or antibodies will go to that lungs and try to fight the virus. Initially, they will try, and after that, since this virus confuses the WBC, it will call for more army. Now, here is the important part. Most of your immunity system will be used to defend this virus part. In this process, if the virus get dead, things will be fine. If not, all your WBC will go dead, which means your immunity system will get damaged. You will become so weak, and this may lead to high fever, high cough, multiple internal organ failure, and this may go to that extent where you may get blood vomitings. Yes, this is so damn serious. Now, very important part. How we are gonna fight? How to stay safe? Like everyone is saying, keeping your hands very clean, keep washing, especially once you come home from outside, and especially before you touch your face, make sure your hands are clean. However, I've noticed few people are getting hesitated to stay hygiene or keep washing multiple times just because others are making fun, or just because people are like pointing out this guy is doing that, these and all. Guys, let them say whatever they want. It's your health and your responsibility to take care, not only for yourself, also for your family and the people who are near you. So don't consider the comments and ignore everyone around you, and you stay safe, which will create that awareness, and that is most important part right now. Prevention is always better than cure. Next, don't get panic. You're not going to die as soon as that virus enters into your body. However, if you see any kind of symptoms, please do see a doctor. Don't think like once you go to hospital or you go for a checkup, because of that environment you may get attacked by coronavirus. It's not like that. If you take proper safety measures, even if you sit beside an infected person, you won't be in a dangerous zone. So please consider this, and please see a doctor if you see any kind of symptoms. Final thing, most of the people are thinking that they have got a good immunity system and corona is not going to do anything. Well, if you are one of them, you are doing a very big mistake, because even if that virus is not affecting your body, you may act as a carrier. Now, if that virus enters into your body and you reach someone and someone is in a close contact with you, that person's immunity system is not that strong, and because of you, that person is getting affected. So please don't follow that logic, and please check out the news. Most of the young people in Italy with a very healthy body also getting affected with this kind of COVID-19. So guys, don't ignore. Like I said, safety is so important, not only for you and also for the people near you or your family. And that is the reason our government is taking a very good measure by conducting a Janata curfew. So as per the information I have, most of the people believe, or though there are no official announcement on the reason behind this Janata curfew, so most of the sources says that this virus cannot stay on any surface for not more than 12 to 14 hours. So if you stay at your home from morning like 9 to almost like evening 8 9, even if this virus has spread to out of the any nearby surfaces, because of the humid and temperature in our areas, this may go dead. And also this will create a social distance, like you will not get in contact with any person, you will stay at home, you will only be with your family, so there is no possibility of getting spread. The final part, what is the impact of this virus? Well, the impact is not only your health and your environment, it is also globally, economically a big hit across the world. Share markets went down, dollar value became fluctuating, all the basic things are going out of stock. You have no idea what kind of crisis we are heading towards. And if this continues, things will become more dirty and you can't even imagine. So please stay safe, not only for you and also for the sake of everything and everyone. So guys, whatever safety measures you are taking, like I said, please keep this in mind. You're also taking care of this planet for the next generation. So consider everything and please stay safe. And this is to create awareness of what kind of safety measures you are supposed to take. So hope you got all the required information, and let us know whatever you think about COVID-19 or whatever your opinions. Please shoot out the comments in the below comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll definitely get back to you soon with more interesting topics. Thank you.